Alright, guys. It's me and ZD.
Hey.
So, looks like we got Zage versus Seagull. What do you think about this matchup?
No idea. It's Pac-Man.
Good point. Well, I haven't actually seen Zage play in a very long time, but he's pretty consistent considering his,
every time these guys play, I've seen Seagull go Sonic, so I'm not sure how this will go.
Every time I've seen him play a bunch of times, so hopefully a little faster. Well, it looks like Pac-Man using his item play. A bit stronger than Diddy's. So,
I don't know about that, actually.
well, yeah, I guess you got more active than Diddy.
Yeah.
As long as Zage throws down that Hydra, it seems like this might actually be a little bit tough for Diddy to get in.
Oh, yeah, I could see that.
Looks like Zage is just willing to zone it out right now.
Yeah.
Holding on to that banana. Oh! I didn't even know he had the key.
Playing just how we expected.
Yeah, so how are you there?
Pretty good.
Alright, wait. Okay. Oh, wait! That's actually pretty interesting. Water pushed him into the banana so that he can keep doing what he wanted.
So the thing about this matchup is
He just fucking fair through that bell.
yeah. The thing about this matchup is Diddy's got kill confidence.
Oh, you mean like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, Diddy's a pretty good character, I'd say. Pretty good. Like, at least top 20.
He can kill Pac-Man without having to commit that hard, so it's going to be really hard for Zage to kill.
Zage is known for his creative ways of getting in, and
That's true.
one thing I actually don't see a lot of people punish, maybe just because it's too good of a strategy, is that Zage just likes the air dodge.
Yeah. Pretty much every time he throws down the Hydra, he air dodges.
So, if Seagull can punish that, he might just be able to close it out. Oh! Man, that water almost stopped that on the connect.
Yeah.
I was kind of hoping for the spike there.
Yeah. So, Zage is in kill percent already.
If it wasn't for that ledge, he'd be dead.
Let's see if Zage can somehow win. I imagine the only way would be L or D.
I think I'm predicting it back here.
I don't even think it would kill Diddy this percent.
Oh, that definitely would. I've heard Zage talk, that thing never kills.
Nair is actually a decent kill move.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's the goofiest thing because he just goes waka waka.
Yeah.
He just turns into an orb and suddenly you're dead. That was actually a really nice side B from Seagull.
Yeah.
Great as he needed.
Covered his landing.
Diddy Kong!
So, I don't expect Joe to switch.
Survival!
I don't think so either. Since JTS, a lot of people tend to be more liberal with their character picks. So Joe might just be going all Diddy today.
Not against me.
Not against you? Oh, okay. High mighty DD. He's got to be seeing Sonic'd out.
Yeah. I haven't seen Joe Sonic all this time. Actually, no, that's not true.
Oh, you saw him play?
Yeah, he went Sonic versus against Joe. I know he says a lot that he has to warm his Sonic up sometimes. But
He needs to warm the Sonic up.
yeah, I think he says Diddy's harder to warm up, but I know he likes to warm up his characters.
Okay, so
Zage actually has a lead. Slight lead. He should be dead. I thought he would have to lose. I thought Joe would drop down, get that third champion.
Oh, he actually missed the key.
Yeah.
That's gonna be hard for him to get back safely.
The hardest thing in this matchup is Diddy's pressure at the ledge, I think.
Hardest thing for Pac-Man?
For Pac-Man, yeah.
I can see that. Like, when they're on stage, Pac-Man actually has a few good tools. Not a grab to deal with the stuff, but yeah, not a grab.
That was actually really smart by Zage. He tried to catch the kickflip with the bow.
He'd actually been able to punish it from there, though.
Oh, maybe it was
Like,
an up air, but like, it wouldn't kill.
He's got to be killing soon, otherwise this might become a little tough for him to get. See, he's just kicking him.
Yeah.
You ever notice how Diddy's feet are also hands? These are weird, man.
Yeah.
Alright, looks like Zage just wants to build that wall.
Donald Trump.
I was saying don't for that reason, but.
We're almost halfway through the game. Neither of them have taken a step.
Yeah, remember when I said every time I see him play, they go to time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Joe's not even in Sonic.
To be fair. Oh! I was going to say to be fair, but be back? Vanilla, edit that out.
I don't know what that was.
I guess he mixed up and down. Next hit might do something. Yo, watch his back go.
Yeah, I mean, that's a kill move, I guess, but you never
Oh. It's practically a die pick, man.
Yeah.
What was that trap?
I don't know. I've never seen that situation like ever. But I don't actually think he could have done much about that other one. Has the
Yeah.
lead, so might as well just sit back.
Lead end of it. Mysterious character.
Yep.
Just watching.
That water could have been bad because if he used the second kickflip,
Water just pushed him into the blast. Oh. Zage is trying to just different speeds of Truth just ruin Joe's timing.
Yeah, he's using a lot of different food.
Variety might be able to. Oh. Did you see what made that trajectory on the melon?
No.
That was weird. I'm saying that a lot about Pac-Man, aren't I?
Yeah.
Guess why? Pac-Man's actually the best in the game.
Yeah. That was scary.
Alright. Oh! Zage knows how to DI!
Wow.
He's saying, no, we are going to time. Oh, never mind! He said, no! Fuck you, Tombstone. We're going to game 3. Think about it. Have you ever heard Zage curse?
No.
Yeah. Pretty mild-mannered man.
Yeah.
Call him Batman, but he's Clark Kent, you know?
Yeah. I can see that.
Let's see where they take it. All right. Seagull once earlier kills.
Was this? What stage were they on last night?
They're on Smash Bros.
Both game 1 and 2?
I believe so, yeah. It's always interesting when Zage gets back the banana, just because he knows how to use items.
Yeah. But,
he's arguably better at using items than Joe is, so...
Yeah. Thing is, Diddy can get rid of items really easily, because I feel like he's fair. Just kind of tempted.
Well, more than that, I mean, Zage, since he can just use his B button to attack, he can just hold onto the banana.
Right.
And then pretty much take away Diddy's best tool in neutral.
Yeah.
While still, like, with Pac-Man still having his best tool in neutral. Because, like, if Joe takes it, like, that's a bad trade for him.
Yeah.
Oh. Point blank into, or the key into the hydrant point blank is pretty hard to deal with. For a second, I thought he caught the key like that. Oh.
He's finally baiting on air.
Just watch a monkey and Aurora play Detective 3.
No. I'm watching.
Yeah, you have. 6 minutes of fun, to be honest. Actually, we're playing this relatively aggressively. So, oh.
Yeah. That's actually the last weird because they're on a bigger stage.
Well, on this stage, they can at least kill a little earlier off the top, which Zage doesn't have as many things, just because he doesn't have as many kill streaks.
Yeah.
I guess he didn't think he could actually do anything about that. Or he just... Should we get ahead of the strap? Where's that shield?
Yeah, shield. I thought he was going to get back there. He got it.
Yeah, he's at 150 against...
Oh! Town and City. Okay. Even.
No one ever expects that instant hitbox off the ledge. Like,
it's very fast.
looks like the platform ruined Zage's shit right there.
Zage uppies out of a lot of situations, which is good because it beats shield. But,
who says Pac-Man doesn't have to grab?
Yeah.
It's just up B.
Traded pairs, but maybe he's a little bit.
By a smidge.
Yeah. Not by much.
Oh.
Everything.
Oh, I should have a dinner tonight. I'm thinking some Taco Bell.
I haven't seen Zage go for a single grab. And that's a good
There's,
thing.
yeah, I was about to say, there's a reason for that, ZD. If you saw him go for a grab, that would have been the whole set. That would take the whole set for the grab to come out. But
I think it wouldn't be a bad idea though if he's at the ledge, just because I think it'd be a surprise.
I don't see Seagull actually being close enough for a grab to connect ever. He's either just bearing or he's just staying back and throwing his bananas. I almost thought that was
Yeah. Zage has been really good at bearing on the shield when Gio comes in with an aerial. Hits him with a down throw. This is really close. Minute left.
I feel like one of them is going to connect something here.
Yeah.
Next hit wins.
That Alright, well.
Alright,
I
next.
imagine down tilt, up smash kills.
I'm not sure how much Zage can do in this situation unless he connects with Bell.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even think he will kill yet.
This is where he has to maximize his pressure. 30 seconds. Alright, with that keep going, Seagull Zage has to wait. Seconds left. Oh,
was that Nair?
That was Nair. Nair killed at the ledge.
Yeah. Joe should have just ran
takes it.
away.
2-1.
Well, there goes 20 minutes.
Survival.